Alright guys, we're going to go live with the final mini and copy our list. Top 4 win. First gets 2, second, third, and fourth get each 1. We'll go live. Time is 9:16 p.m. Atlantic, 9:16. Paste our list. Hopefully we get the last payments in tonight and we'll run the main. So, first time, Keith on top. Second time, Timmy on top. First timestamp coming up. Time is 9:17. 9:17. Third and final time. Good luck, guys. So we got Timmy, Danny, Alan, and Michael. That's our top 4. Congrats, guys. Copy our timestamp. Paste it here. Final time is 9:17. 9:17. So again, Timmy with 2, Danny with 1, Alan with 1, and Michael with 1. Congrats, guys. Good luck in the next one.